Welcome on my channel. Today I make some small review of electric air duster. It's a really small device with much power that is solution for my problems with dust. I was looking for a solution to not use compressed air can. I always have to buy another and another one, and more than that, that gas air give cold air that starts making dust sticky. And guess what? I think it's my solution. So we can see it's really small. We have a lot of parts possible to use for it. I must say I spent some time for looking for a specific part. I cannot find it at that moment when I was recording, so I will show you on the end which one it was. But maybe let's say about some pros. So battery life, it's not too short. 60 minutes it's enough because it's really small device and it had a lot of power. And more important for me, that I don't need a cable to plug on some energy device. When it's charged, you can use it, and that's a lot when you have some small device. And when we say about cable and charging, you can see it's USB-C, so it's really good too. Okay, and if we're saying about pros, that we have crazy airspeed, something about 110,000. So it's when you're looking about other devices, it's really hard to find. It's multi-tool, so you can use it for everything, not only to clean computer, but everything when it's hard to get, like deeper parts in car, or I know air condition I was using, so I did get a lot of dust from inside. And for cons, I can say it's only 16 minutes, but for me it's not problem. Handle can get hot after some time of using. Some can be annoying, but not for me, but for some people can be problematic. And price can be too high, but maybe you can find it cheaper, and I think it's that's all. But I think it's worth it. It's really good to use it with vacuum cleaner, with combination with vacuum cleaner, and you can see it's working well. You can see a real difference by air from the can and from electric device. Small PC case dust cleaning test. After end of testing, I saw this surprise. And like you see, it takes 7 watts, and that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.